Hi all, welcome to our MK Duty YouTube channel. We all know preparing talking points for common interview questions can help you feel confident and prepared in the interviews. While every interviewer is different and their questions may vary depending on the job and industry, there are a few common questions that you can expect and prepare. So, today I am going to discuss how to face some most common HR interview questions with giving examples for you. Let me discuss the first question. Tell us about yourself. You all know at the beginning of your conversation, your interviewer will likely start out by asking you about yourself. That is a normal thing. So, target what they seek from you. That is the key of starting the interview. They are seeking to understand your qualifications, what led you to the job, and generally why you think you would be fit to the job. The key here is making your answer concise and direct, including only professional information relevant to the job. So let's look at how should you structure your answer. There are three parts of the description: start, mid, and end. These all three parts are very important to make a great impression about us on their minds. So, start. Start by describing your background with a summary of your most impressive responsibilities. Uh, let's look at an example description for the start. Think you are for a position of on IT industry. So you can start like this. I have been a software engineer at XYZ company for just over 2 years, where I started my career after graduated from University of ABC. I worked with several teams with different technologies and have collaboratively worked with foreign employees also. Now look at on the middle part. It should be a brief summary of your previous experience with key achievements. So, following you can see the example. Before working at XYZ company, I worked as intern software engineer in BT Mobile Development Company. There I worked in multiple ongoing projects, used Java, Python, Flask. Here you can add so many languages that you have able to do or prove your works, and uh, you should keep in your memory when you telling about yourself. Don't tell lies. You should only say what you can and what you have done, because they will ask questions from this description also. So you will be faced difficulties if you are telling lies. Okay, and got experiences. Let's move to the example. And got experiences on machine learning based tasks. It also equipped me with the ability to work quickly under pressure with experience in agile development process. Finally, as the end of telling myself, express how you find the new job and why it is a good fit for you and your goals. Let me share example with you. I have enjoyed and grown in my current role, but wish to expand and utilize knowledge expertise in software industry. I am interested in your company because of its reputation for delivering first-in-class service to your patrons in a lively dynamic environment. This is the final state of our tell us about yourself description. Here you can create a great image about you uh, that you have about their company. That is how we can do. We can answer when they ask tell something about yourself. So uh, let's discuss another common question. That is, what makes you unique? Which means, why should they hire you? Employers often ask this question to identify why you might be more qualified than other candidates they are interviewing. To answer, you should focus on why hiring you would benefit the employer. And also, since you don't know the other applicants, it can be challenging to think about your answer in relation to them. So, addressing why your background makes you a good fit lets employers know why your traits and qualifications make you a strong candidate. To help you prepare this answer, consider the following points. There are main 3 points. First point is assess the employer's finds valuable. That means there is a job description that we read before apply or before send your resume to the company. So you should first review the job description for the role distribution for the role responsibilities as well as required and desired skills, qualities, experiences, and qualifications. That means you might speak about your ability to unite a team around a common goal. Next, the second point, describe ways you have been successful in previous roles. That means in this point, you should reflect on past that means past accomplishments and list the qualities that helped you achieve them. Okay. For example, if you received around if you received an award for your final year research, then you might share this along with the project or experience that earned you that award. Lastly, traits or skills you have been praised for. They are considered your strengths and qualities commonly recognized by previous employers or coworkers. Let me share an example on this. What makes me unique is my ability to meet and exceed deadlines. In my previous role, my manager consistently praised me for completing my project efficiently with a high level of quality. This allowed me to take on additional responsibilities and eventually led to a promotion. Here you can customize your answer by adding qualifications and should do very attractive manner. Okay. Um, the next question that I'm going to discuss is what are your greatest strengths? In your answer to this question, share your most relevant technical and soft skills. Even it may feel uncomfortable to talk highly of yourself, remember that this is your last opportunity to tell your interviewers what makes you a great candidate and they want to hear it. Let's say what should you include in your answer? First point, share one to a few positive qualities and personal attributes. Here I have mentioned several examples. I have always been a natural leader. I am naturally an empathetic person. I'm very trustful person, then you should back up them with the matching examples. So let me give some examples on that. I was the junior treasurer of ABC Society. In order to that, I managed all the incomes and expenses within the period by handling the total budget of 5 lakhs allocated for our key activities. Finally, I hand over the budget report and bank statement to our new committee with 100% accuracy. This can use as a matching example for telling I am a very trustful person. Uh, Likewise, you can add examples uh, what have you mentioned previously. Finally, after giving examples, relate them back to the role for which you are interviewing. Okay, so in this can do like this. I have also regularly honed my management skills through 360 reviews and candid sessions with my team, and I know continuing to build my leadership skills is something I want from my next role. And another example, so I think to the enhancement of the company, you all need trustful person. I know myself. I can be trustful for you. So, these are the three examples that I'm going to discuss in this video session. So in this session, uh, I think you will get an idea how to answer uh, this these three examples. So let me wind up this video and hoping to come back another set of interview preparation session. So thank you all of you.